Let's create a cube. S to scale, and S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. G and Z to move the mesh on the Z-axis. Let's hold Shift while selecting the following edges, and Ctrl B to bevel with mouse wheel up. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate. S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. Let's create another cube and use that as our neck mesh. We need another cube for the body mesh. Tab to go to edit mode, 3 to face select, Shift Z to go to wireframe mode, select the bottom face, and E to extrude downward. Let's slice the mesh in half with Ctrl R and X to delete the half of the faces. S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. Let's mirror the mesh. Let's use a cube and a UV sphere for the arm. For the eyes and the buttons, we can use a scaled cylinder. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. Let's proportionally move the top vertex like this, to create the nose mesh. Create a plane, Tab, to go to Edit Mode, 1, to select the vertices, and M, to merge at the center. G, and Z, to move on the Z-axis. Tab, to go to Edit Mode, and E, to extrude like this. Please make sure the X of the last vertex is set to 0, 0. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Select the top two vertices, right-click, and S to subdivide. Select the new vertex in the middle, and type G twice to edge slide toward the right vertex to make that corner sharper. Let's Knife project. Time to apply the materials. The character is missing the right ear, and the eyebrows. Please work on that. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.